Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, but I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. After today's price movement, once again, like I talked about on Friday, a tricky chart just because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it, and it's almost a case of deja vu in many senses. What do I mean by perspective if you didn't watch the video from Friday? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, or maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 15 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture point of view, I get it. Yeah, from those highs, the price did pull back quite a bit. But from the grand scheme of things, the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a bigger picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably just had more of a day trader flipper type perspective going into things. And like I talked about on Friday, the key level to continue to watch is going to be here at 006. And like I did on Friday, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's just say, actually, let me do this first. Offer up a bit more context. There we go. So let's say that the price actually pulls back even more, comes down here to 006, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, from the grand scheme of it all, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. And this is just, generally speaking, you'd have some lows there. You have some lows right there. Now, if you can envision those as stair steps, what do you have from the grand scheme of it all? Well, you have very clearly overall stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. I'm well aware that if you're some sort of flipper or day trader and you bought up around here, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the big picture point of view. So sure, the price is pulled back today, but think about that word today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to build an overall higher base, and that's the name of the game. So let's see if the bulls can chip away and get that higher low or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.